go. Squeeze it on, just like so. And start the time.
I'm a terrible camera guy.
Yeah. Up here.
Look at that, eh? Stir it in, stir it in. Very good. Tim Hortons coffee brewed the primitive way.
What is it?
Primitive way, you know?
Primitive?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm calling it.
Like NDN Joe.
So if we, it doesn't seem fair, Joey. The early American cowboys, whatever, they would sit around the campfire and have coffee.
Yeah.
And then the natives, did they have coffee?
Nope.
Tea? They must have had something.
Maybe tea.
Some kind of a...
I just had to get you guys both in there, so nothing was trying to... It's the fanciest coffee maker I've seen.
Yeah. $80 for that.
That's not bad. As long as it lasts for a long time. So how long do you let that boil up top?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
And we got our little timer going on over there.
Yeah. 14 seconds, 13.
Oh yeah. Then it's what? You just remove the heat?
Yep. I'm going to remove the burner.
Then you're gonna cap it.
Oh my.
The flame out. Timer just went off. And you're gonna see the coffee come back down. I am a terrible camera guy. Shaky, shaky. Sorry. See, the coffee is starting to come back down from a suction. Oh, see, there we go.
So the heat from the fire makes the air expand.
Yeah.
And then as it
The heat from the fire pushes the liquid up. And then when you remove it, makes a suction, brings it back down.
So the gases inside on the bottom bowl cool off, and then they start to shrink, and it sucks the water back through the spout. It's been so many years since we were
High quality Tim Hortons coffee and a high tech contraption.
But it is good, I must admit.
Oh, see, and there's the bubbles, final stage.
Well, you know, don't use this.
No, those are Mom's gloves.
Yeah.
Isn't that something?
There's the coffee.
Alright, sweet, some left for me. Voila, and that's how it's done. Say hi, Joey.
Hi, everyone.